On May 17th, we saw an 8% run-up in price for Enzolytics, Inc., OTC ticker symbol ENZC. Enzolytics took off on May 17th, and I'm really excited about this stock. This one would fit in well with Cathie Wood's ARKG, Innovative Genomic Revolution Focus. Today, we are going to dive into the details of Enzolytics and if this would be a good one to help build your portfolio. I will cover the compelling aspects of the stock's unique drug development approach, why their partnership with Intel is such a big deal, the state of their financials, and finally what analysts are projecting for this stock. I did spend hours pouring through articles and financials on ENZC, aiding a decision whether it made sense to buy this stock now and if it is a good stock to hold on to for the long term. In the past, I also spent years working with Fortune 500 CFOs to help them determine where they were making money, and now use this expertise to dig into Enzolytics details. But this is not financial advice and for entertainment only. Hi, investing friends. This is Lynn, and welcome back to 60 Perfect Ways to Wealth. And thank you so much for joining me here today. So let's go review Enzolytics. First, a friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, to hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment below. Remember that Enzolytics is an OTC stock and therefore very risky, as a good percentage of them fail. But we all look for the smaller percentages that have a huge run-up in price over the long term. Why am I so excited about sharing Enzolytics with you? This company is part of the future of drug development and utilizes a 4P medicine approach, which is predictive. Our genetic makeup can predict the diseases we are at risk for. Preventative medicine that refocuses care on the future rather than the present. Personalized. Every human is genetically different and unique, and takes this into account as individuals transition from health to disease. It's participatory, which involves convincing physicians of the advantage of adopting newer technology while educating patients about the opportunities, challenges, and responsibilities. Enzolytics is a drug development company that utilizes proprietary proteins for the treatment of debilitating infectious diseases. It has patented anti-HIV therapeutics and proprietary methodology for producing human monoclonal antibodies for treating infectious diseases with non-toxic passive immunotherapy. Enzolytics clinically tested its anti-HIV therapeutics. In addition, it has created a proprietary cell line that produces human monoclonal antibodies that target and neutralize the HIV virus. The May 17th news that had a big effect on the stock was about a white paper developed by Enzolytics and Intel titled Optimizing Empathetic AI to Cure Deadly Diseases. Intel for years has been developing advanced artificial intelligence analytics tools. Now, Enzolytics is working with Intel's AI to create universal, durable, and broadly effective treatments targeting all virus variants. The white paper underscores Intel's recognition of the premise of P4 medicine and embraces artificial intelligence to deliver on the promise. Intel has made incredible advances in artificial intelligence applicable to empathetic AI. They outsource healthcare tasks and decisions to rational machines, freeing up more time for healthcare professionals to provide patient care. Intel's programmable integrated unified memory architecture, or PIUMA, and graph analytics will speed up discoveries and predictions about virus mutations. Antibodies that broadly neutralize are necessary to provide effective therapy and prevention of disease. These applications leveraging a monoclonal antibody in immunotherapy are accomplished through Enzolytics' proprietary method of producing neutralizing monoclonal antibodies. Now, a primary focus is to create monoclonal antibodies that will universally neutralize the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Dr. Gaurav Chandra recognized AI's potential and, based on knowledge knowledge of these homologous viral structures targeting the corresponding Achilles heel site on a virus. Consequently, Dr. Chandra, COO and VP of Enzolytics R&D, worked with Denver Scientific's genetics molecular biology data science team to screen more than 50,000 coronavirus and 87,000 HIV isolate. Immutable sites on the SARS-CoV-2 virus have also been confirmed as existing 100% in the U.S. SARS-CoV-2 virus variants that have surfaced in the United Kingdom, Brazil, and South Africa. The white paper concluded that Enzolytics Inc.'s use of artificial intelligence is a novel approach to assessing virus sequences and identifying the segments essential for virus survival. The power of AI, coupled with advanced techniques in Enzolytics immunotherapeutics, have the potential to create broadly effective treatments targeting all virus variants. So you can see why I'm so excited about Enzolytics, their partnership with Intel, and their contributions to medicine. I like to find early investment OTC companies as they have lots of room to grow, but only if they have encouraging areas of financial performance. I took a look at Enzolytics' profile, and you can see they are tiny with a market cap of $326 million. And as they have been sustaining losses, their PE ratio shows it's not applicable. I was very surprised by the heavy trading of this stock, reflected as an average daily volume of 40 million shares. Their Yahoo financials also shows that this company is not yielding any cash from their operations. Etrade shows their 12-month stock performance is up 44,566%, but down 78% over the last 3 months. Pretty common for growth stocks right now. For analysts' targets for this stock, I searched TipRanks, Etrade, FinViz, and NASDAQ websites and found nothing. My take on Enzolytics stock for now is that it is a stock that I will watch for more progress in their work, financial growth, and stability. Or if you like to fund companies that have the potential to make a big impact on health and want to do further research on it, that would make sense too. In the meantime, this stock appears to be a favorite of day traders. Let me know if you own Enzolytics, what your thoughts are about this stock or about other stocks you're liking right now. Also, if you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Really helps the channel and helps others learn about this. And subscribe for more videos like this one.